So yesterday, what we did was we did directory submission, the first low hanging fruit. After that, how to find directory met how to find directory is one method is directory critics, which has all this. Shivam says, what is classified sites? I will be coming to that. Just wait. Okay. The second way to find the niche site in which you can submit your web directories. Okay, because lot of times happens is in the whole list you will find that your list is finished and you are not finding any other website, any other directory to submit. Then what to do? Then there is something called Google operator. Google operator is primarily helps you to search, to make your search very refined. For example, if I copy this code and paste it over here, although don't consider it as a code, just understand the meaning of it, and it's very easy to understand. In title means the text we are writing should be come in the title of that particular page. Okay, in title means. In URL means that text whatever we are going to write should come in the URL of the page. Okay, this is what in title, in URL, in description. Okay, these kind of text means. And after that colon, this is a format. Okay, and whatever you want to search, you will type in double quotes. Double quotes means now you are very familiar with Google keyword phrase searches. That double quote means phrase search. So if this keyword, if this word is coming in the in any of the title in this phrase match, then your that particular website will be shown to you. So if I typed it, so you will see directory critics shopping list will come. Then shopping this pro link directory will come. Then this list directorate shopping list is also coming. Okay, you will find apart from directory critics, you will find all other websites on which you can do either they have a list or you can submit on that particular website. For example, let's say DMOZ Live. I'm just opening random example. So this is a website on which you can submit. Like you can see all these websites were submitted, and if you want to submit it, submit your website. That's it. Okay, but don't submit it. It has a DA of 21 only. Okay, and look at the spam score, 39%. So always check it, or you will get a list of websites. Okay, if you have installed Moz in your on your search bar, then over here itself you can see. Okay, the DA, so that you don't go and open those websites. Okay, so this website maybe is a list 1 million directories. So if you go on this website, it will be very similar to, I believe, directory critics. Okay, it will tell you various webs. No, it is also you have to submit in this website. Okay, it's not something similar, not similar to directory critics. Okay, this is how you can find it out. Like I want to find out, let's say, financial directories. So here is the list. The first one is showing the list of 25 financial directories. After that, some of the website directly coming. Okay, so this is the benefit of using Google operators. So you can reach to your niche directly. So now when I talked about, if you remember that you should get a backlink from a relevant content. Relevant content means relevant directories in case of directory submission. Not only in title you can use, in URL you can use, in text. Okay. And for other operators, if you want to learn about Google search operators, then you can refer to this Moz article, which talks about everything in detail, like what does these double quote or standing lines, okay, means. Then advanced search operators like in title, all in title, in URL, all in URL, in text, all file type related. Okay, then unreliable and depreciated operators, link, all, anchor, in anchor, all in anchor. Okay, and then some combos mentioned by them. So you can use that, but the crux remains the same. The most used are these one in title and in URL in this way. Okay, but if you want to study more in detail, then you can go ahead. Okay, that is how to do niche directory submissions. Okay, how to find it out. Submission process remains the same. Every website has its own submission process. Okay, so like if I open this website, then you come, let's say, in financial business category. Okay, so click on business and industry, and whichever industry you comes in finance. Okay, then these are the website on which are submitted in this directory. If you want to submit, click on submit the directory, put the details over here. That's it. Okay, very similar to what we did yesterday. The submission process changes a little with each of the new website because every website has a different format. But moreover, the things remain the same. There will be a description, there will be a title, there will be a URL which they will be asking for, and the email ID through which you are submitting. This is the basic process. And keep one thing in mind, is that these submissions don't get approval instant. Okay, these submissions take 1 to 3 months of time to get approvals. Okay, most of the times what happens is these sites also doesn't give it to you. Okay, so that is also a very common practice as well. So you have to keep checking for 3 months. If you are not getting it, that means they have not given a backlink to you. Okay, and mark it as a dead website in your case. Okay, is that clear? Niche directory submission. Yeah, go ahead, ask your question, please.
So I was just wondering that these are directory websites. From a user's perspective, will the user, go on to this directory and then click our backlink, or how does it practically work? Or they are just on the on the back side, not on the front face. These directories.
I tell you, both the things happened. That users also go in these directories and use it, but like people used to do that. Nowadays, very limited people goes on these websites, so really you don't get a traffic from it. To be true. Second is these activities which we are doing right now are doing for the backlink creation. Okay, for improving the reputation of our URL or getting more link juice, getting more DA value. Okay, not for the traffic.
Okay, so this will basically improve the page rank.
Yeah,
for a particular,
not page rank, domain authority.
Domain authority. Okay.
Yeah, domain authority and ranking of the keywords.
Ranking of the, basically by page rank, I mean that if somebody searches for the keywords, your website will come on the first page, or
yeah, correct.
Okay.
Second is like third type of submission is video submissions. Generally, you should do 3 to 4 video submissions in a site. of your website, and it's really powerful. You can submit your video on various video submission sites. Now, a lot of video submission sites, like YouTube, Vimeo. Okay, now when you do on YouTube, YouTube gives you a traffic as well as a backlink. Getting my point? If the directory is very popular, then it can give you a traffic apart from backlink. But we are trying it. Primary goal is to get a backlink. If we get a traffic, nothing better than that. Okay. So for that, again, if I have to find out video submission site, so I will type. Okay. So it gives you a list of 20 different websites on which you can go and submit your videos. Okay. So like YouTube, so everyone knows, go and click on upload. Similar, it's very exactly similar on Vimeo, Dailymotion, Ustream.tv. Okay, Ustream.tv. I believe a lot of people have not seen it. Ustream. Oh, this is blocked in India. Okay, let's see tv.com. In Netflix, you can't. Okay, so don't say I want to do it in Netflix. So you can't do it in Netflix. In many of these sites like tv.com, I don't think you will be able to submit it. You have to go and identify each of the website where there is a submission option. For sure, YouTube, Vimeo, Google Plus doesn't exist anymore. Dailymotion, you can do it. Twitch.tv, you can do it. Metcafe.com, you can do it. This is, I remember from my memory. Rest, I'm not sure. Okay, like this, you will go on various links which are in Google, open these websites and check it whether you can submit submit your video or not. For example, in case of YouTube, as you know, let me show you where to put the link. Although we will be discussing that later on as well. Okay, go to your channel and then click on customization and then settings, account settings. Oh, this new interface is really poor.
We have to upload a video, or
you can upload a video, or you can, by creating a channel, you can put it.
the icon is over top na, to add a video, that plus.
Yeah, if you click on upload a video, like this is my channel, I can't upload it. Okay, let's say you uploaded a video like this. Okay. When you upload a video, then go into edit details first. Give me a second. Okay, go into editor, although I will be telling you more detail in YouTube. There is an option called end screen where you can add a link. Right now, this element is banned in my account because I have overused it. Otherwise, you can use a link, and when user clicks on a link, you can it can reach to your website. Okay, that is how it is done. One way of doing it. Another way of doing it, which is not a correct way of doing it, is writing in description. Okay, just type your website. Although backlink will not work, and open this URL. Here is your website, but it's not a clickable link. But when you use cards, then it is a clickable link. For example, let me log in into my personal account. Okay, like you can see a link over here, although this link is not working anymore. Okay, but this link which I have given over here is in about a section, the links, two links, different links. Okay, how to give it is customize your YouTube channel through customize channel, or the over here you will see the option. Okay, you can add up to 5 overlays, and how to add it to each video is very simple. Go to your video. Let's say this is your video. You want to edit. Go on editing. And go in editor. Then this overlay, you can see over here, a link option is active, and you can type your website. This website which is approved. Okay, I can type it. Oh, it's not working. You have to get approval of your site. This is a really tedious process. You have to add your website. Okay, like I add https www.jaipurlitfest.org, not Jaipur, JLF. Okay, and add it. Then oh my God. Uh, this function is not in my this account. Let me switch to another account. Give me a second.